Hey guys, what's up? Super Sarcastic Gamer here, just doing a really quick, in-depth analysis or whatever, in-depth video of the mechanical keyboard that I got. I got a few requests asking me to just do a quick, in-depth analysis of the actual keys themselves. So I'm gonna try and do my best with that. The keys, let me go ahead and just type on them real quick so I can get a good idea of how loud they are. Maybe you can't tell that because I'm using a headset as a microphone, so let me go ahead and switch over to the actual audio coming from the camera. So a lot of the smaller keys, including the numpad and all the F1 through F12, so anything like small, including tab, those are pretty loud, like a mechanical keyboard. Spacebar is probably the quietest, so I'll let you hear both. Here's from my headset. Here's from the camera. Backspace, actually, I think backspace is the quietest. So all the oh no, I didn't mean to. I'm launching a program on my computer on accident. A lot of the big like keys don't have a loud noise, but most of the smaller keys do have a loud noise. Also, I learned one more thing about the keyboard. There's a up here on the home button. If you hit function and hit that, the keys actually begin to strobe. I don't know how well you can see that from the light coming in through my window, but then you can toggle them off. It's just a very slow strobe. Something else worth mentioning that I didn't mention in the last video is that if you hit function and then WASD or hit function and the arrow keys, WASD automatically moves over to the arrow keys, so you don't have to rebind your keys if you're playing a computer game or something. So if you're playing with WASD and you decide all of a sudden you want to switch over to the arrow keys, all you have to do is hit function and WAS or D, and then it'll automatically swap it to the arrow keys, which is something really cool. They don't have to put that in, but it's really nice that they did. One thing I forgot to mention is that the keyboard is extremely responsive. Once you press the key is instantly pressed, and then once you let go of the key, it is instantly released. So there's no lag or anything between that time period. The action happens as soon as you let go or press the key. Also, the keyboard has anti-ghosting, which means you can press up to 12 keys at one time, and the keyboard will recognize that all keys are being pressed at the same time. So if you're playing a game and you're strafing in a certain direction, or you're holding down W and D and you're trying to move forward to the right, it's going to recognize it. There's not going to be any problem with that. I hope this is more in depth for you guys. So small keys, those are fairly loud. Bigger keys like space, backspace, enter, shift, those are more quiet. So I hope you guys enjoy the more in-depth look at the keyboard. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like it, put a like. If you disliked it, put a dislike and let me know why you disliked it. And if you enjoyed it so much, why don't you go ahead and subscribe and maybe view the other videos on my channel. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. You have a good one.